What is going on, ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages? Welcome to another Road to 300 Steem Power here on the glorious Steem blockchain, of course, d.tube. My name is John G. Olson, here for your entertainment pleasure, I guess. We're going to take you guys on a journey. Every single week, what we do is we ask the question, how can we help you get to 300 Steem Power? And we go over your questions, your comments. We go through everybody's contribution, to this weekly show. And not only do we upvote you, we answer your questions live here on the video. And of course, we send you guys some Steem basic income units as well. So really good way to get involved and get some Steem Power as we're all trying to build our accounts up and do some awesome things here. And it's Hardfork 2122. So this is, we did one last week, but there was a little hiccup over the weekend, so we're going to dive right in. And the tip I left last week was still building every single day. Welcome to Hardfork 21, but it's actually Hardfork 22 now. It's a great time, once again, to comment, engage, build, and grow. So there you go. Let's dive right in. First question we got. Addy Dapo Glory. You always share a lot of encouragement words. Keep us little going. Yes, appreciate the comments. And yeah, this is even more so now. I think it's really, really important for people on Steem to kind of grow together. And this little community that we've built here teaches people to grow their account slowly, but take advantage of opportunities that are there. So Steem is kind of in this middle of the road right now. Like, we're kind of, where are we going to go? Well, if you read a lot of the posts, and the general feeling on Steem is new Steem, and we're going to grow this. So you don't need to hit 300 Steem Power overnight. Slow and steady wins the race. And I've got a really cool post that I've got planned for tomorrow. It won't be a video, it'll be a written post, but it'll help kind of touch on what you just said there. Just keep going. And I'm going to read my blog tomorrow, and you'll see. Great post. Thank you for the comment, and sent you SBI as well. So we had a little back and forth here from Mimi Smarty Pants, and she said, "I'm welcoming the change. I know most are complaining, but it's encouraging engagement in the community. I'm already seeing improvement on my curation rewards, and I reckon I will get to minnows sooner than I thought. 150 Steem Power to go." And I said, awesome to hear it. The best thing you can do with these cheap prices, there's plenty of opportunity to snag them up. And then she responded, "Indeed, but I was challenged to do this organically, and I'm keeping to it. When someone, especially your husband, says that you can't do it, well, sure I can." And I completely understand, because before, my ex used to tell me that I couldn't quit smoking because I used to smoke like crazy. I remember the day, it was about 18 years ago. And I looked at the cigarette, took one more puff of it, and quit. Someone telling you can't do something is an extremely motivational thing. So whatever you're going through, whatever kind of struggles you have, if you have someone in your ear constantly telling you can't do something, I'm not going to say I'm living proof that you can conquer everything, because God knows I've made my mistakes, but I know the power of conviction, of setting a goal and sticking to it. So you want to hit 300 Steem Power, you can do it. I guarantee you can. So thank you very much, Mimi Smarty Pants, for the comments and the votes and the engagement. Appreciate it. Shriner's family said, "Thanks for the support. Appreciate it. Absolutely. Hope it helps. Every little bit helps, I think. It helps us grow. It helps us get more familiar with each other, gets more familiar with the blockchain. So I'm a big fan of this, and I appreciate the comments, and I appreciate that this helps you in small ways, but I'm glad it does, no matter what. Doyi said, "Gradually, we will keep going till we hit that mark." And I totally agree. I mean, every single day you got a +1, and +1, my definition of +1 is being better at sunset than you were at sunrise. So every single day, pushing yourself. Japanese culture calls it kaizen or kaizen. D Millies will tell me the proper way how to say that. But it's getting better every day. From learning from your experience, getting better every day. So +1 every single day. It's a really good habit to get into. Dex9 says thanks for the encouragement. It's really helpful. Still have a long way to go. You'll be happy. This is what I said. I mean, you'll be happy you started now. In a year from now, you'll be happy you started today. So just keep going, a little bit, every single bit, every time. Just keep going, keep going, keep going. Stack this stuff, stack it, gather it, accumulate it as much as you can. When you can, invest in it, and you will get to 300 Steem Power. I guarantee it. Guarantee it. Mr. Hill said, sorry if this has already been asked, but can I get your thoughts on self-voting? Fantastic question. So this is my opinion, and I wrote it there, but this is my opinion of it. If you're upvoting people in your circle, if you're curating, if you're upvoting comments, I don't see a problem with upvote, personal upvote, self-upvote. I don't see the big problem with it. I mean, you've spent all this money to accumulate Steem. And, just getting your little, for me, in my case, it's like 20, 30 cents back, if that. I don't see the big problem with it, but if you're sitting there just upvoting yourself only, but listen, it's the blockchain, so it's all fair in love and war, right? But I take the approach of, I'll upvote myself when I do my posts, which is once a day, but I will also upvote everybody who comments on me, and I will do my best to curate as many great pieces of content as I can. I don't do any curation trails. It's all manual. That's just kind of how I'm built, and I have no problem with it myself. Now, I know that some people have problems with it, and that's fine. I'm not saying one way's the right way or the wrong way, but I believe that if you're upvoting everybody in your circle and everybody that comments on your blog, there's nothing wrong with a self-upvote. But again, it's a personal decision, and I'm not going to tell you it's right or wrong, whatever you decide to do. So, hey, my coffee. Thank you very much for the question. I really do appreciate that, Mr. Hill. Really do. Mr. Robert Andrew, keep up the great work, John. Helping the little guys is just plain awesome. Well, this is what I said, man. I mean, we were all new to this, right? I mean, some of the people that got in really, really early on Steem, they still started with nothing, even though they did do a lot of mining and they got those big, big rewards when it started. But we were all new at this at one time. And I truly believe that we say Steem is the blockchain of opportunity. It is the blockchain of opportunity through community, if that makes any sense. I believe in that. I believe in people. I believe in community. I believe in absolutely everything we can do to grow this together. I'm just wired that way. People have their own opinions on stuff, but I think if you focus on community, you focus on the communication with the community, everything will win. So really good point, man. I hope that helps, because I think that we were all new at one time, and we got to always remember that. And we got to help little guys get up, medium-sized guys get up, even big guys. We got to support everybody on Steem, guys and gals too. My tech trail said, like the new format, needed more than just a rolling screenshot. Yeah, now you get to see me every week. Hi. Question: what activities do you consider to be curation? So really, really good, really good question. For curation, like I said here, is twofold. So it's not only upvoting people's content that I try to do a lot of with my manual curation, but also engagement on posts. So people come in here, like Road to 300 SP, you commenting with me, Randy, me engaging with you, curating, and I'm still sick, so I'm trying to not cough too much in your guys' ear. But responding to comments, upvoting the comments. Remember, every comment is considered a post on the blockchain. So you engaging with me, I mean, I know that it's minuscule. It's 2 cents, if that. I know, but it's the least I can do, and it's I want to engage with you, and that to me is curation, the engagement as well. So not only curating other people's stuff, but also engagement through comments on people's blogs. So hope that helps, man. Thank you very much for the question. My good friend Zoltan, PH1102, said, nice to see the new format for the Road to 300 SP. I think that I see your face more than my mother's. Actually, I'm sure about that. Joking. It's okay to see the man behind the screen while you're running this. We have survived Hardfork 22, and nobody even noticed it. And we better get... and we are still getting better and better in changing the blockchain. Now is the time to show what we can build, building and curating. But yeah, you should go see your mom, man. You see me more than you see your mom, man. Just saying. Go call your mom, Zoltan, please. Tell her you love her, please. We got Flax. Eric said, thanks for the great video. And Hardfork 21 went kind of well, and Hardfork 22 went smooth that most didn't even notice. I'm really looking forward to your big announcement. No idea what that will be. We discussed that a couple days ago. And I know you have confidence it'll be great. Well, this was before the downtime we had on the weekend. So Hardfork 21 kind of had a little stumble. Then Hardfork 22 was perfect, went smooth. Then we had our stumble. But you know what? We're back. Everything is good. We're here. New Steem. Let's rock it. Yeah. And the announcement is what we're planning on doing with CTP Token. We plan on offering an IPN for it, so people in our little affiliate marketing community, and anybody really for that matter, can actually buy and sell using CTP Token, which is, crossing fingers, will be very shortly. So we're going to be rocking with that, and that's big news in my little corner of the industry. It's going to be very welcomed and should provide people with a fantastic way to buy and sell products and services using CTP Token. So there you go, use case. And finally, we got DTY, focus and patience is the key. We keep pushing. Absolutely. No other way to do it. Be absolutely stubborn about this. Be completely stubborn about this. Keep showing up. You know, are things perfect? No, but you know what? Things are getting a lot better, in my opinion. I was really concerned about downvotes. I was really concerned about how that would play out and finding this right balance. But you know what? The further I go into this, the more I'm excited about the curation potential of Steem. I saw a lot of people that were here on Steem when I first joined that I followed and were, really big influences on me when I started on this, and they disappeared, but this 50-50 has brought them back. And I'm excited for that, because this is really what I think helping people. Remember I said it's a blockchain of opportunity through community. People rock, man. I mean, we can do so much when we get together and we have a similar passion, and that is where I think all of us are here at Steem. So the tribes are rocking, CTP is rocking, Steem Engine is rocking, Steem Monsters is rocking. Everything is back to full strength, and we are just gonna crush it. So I'll knock on wood, but Steem went up like 2 cents since I started doing this. It was at like 16 cents all day, and it shot up to 18. So it'll probably go down after this video. Anyways, hope you guys have a fantastic day. Please do remember, Road to 300 SP each and every Wednesday on the blockchain. What I do is I ask you guys if there's anything you need help with, and if you have any questions, or if you want to make some comments about Steem or anything to help you guys grow your account here on the blockchain. Our goal is to get you guys all to 300 Steem Power so that we can crush it and create a thriving community here on the blockchain. So please do ask any questions that you have. I'm always around. I'm on my Discord. I'm always around if you have any questions at all. But I look forward to reading your comments. They will all be upvoted. They will all be responded to. And they will all get... I'm scrolling up here. SBI. Thank you, guys. Toodles. Have a good night.